Okay, guys, very quickly, I'm going to go over 4.4, 4.5, which is your dividing with decimals with a 2-digit number. Nothing different as far as the process, but as far as what you're doing, it's the same thing, but now you're just dividing with a 2-digit divisor. So this is 4.5, okay? We're going to just skip notes, and I want you to go straight to your book. And I want you to go straight to question number 2 on page 180. Go to 180, question number 2. Okay, so number 2 is 52 9/10 divided by 23. Again, we talked about this, same thing. All you're doing is moving up your decimal. That's all you're doing, and you're dividing normally. Move up your decimal. So can 5 be divided by 23? No. Can 52 be divided by 23? Yes. Okay, the question is by once or by twice? It's by once. Okay? Twice. Sorry. Twice. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract 69. How many times can 23 go into 69? Well, try 3 times. There you go. Answer is 2 3/10. How can I check this? Do the inverse. 9, 6, 6, 4. Move when I multiply, move when I multiply. Same thing. Okay? Next example. Let's go ahead and turn to page 181. You know what? In fact, why don't we just go ahead and turn to your goal page? Okay, we'll do a couple of things, and then you can move on. Okay? Let's look at your goal page. Let's look at number 2. Let's do the even number. Let's do the even numbers again. So number 2 is 94 5/10 divided by 21. Do not do this in your workbook. All work needs to be shown on notebook paper. Okay? All work on notebook paper. All right. So 94 5/10. First thing you do is you bring up your decimal. Okay? Put this up a little bit closer so you can see it. So the question is, can 9 be divided by 21? The answer is no. Can 94? Yes. Let's count by 20s. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So it's got to be 4. And I'm dividing 94, so my 4 goes right here. No, not dividing 9, I'm dividing 94, therefore my quotient should start there. So 4 times 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. There we go. Again, how many times can 100 be divided by 21? Let's count by 20s. That's about 20. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Pretty close. Let's do it times 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Absolutely done. That's it. Okay, number 4. Get $13. And then when I'm writing this, I'm not going to write my dollar sign just because that's more in my way. So 13 65/100 times 21. Bring up my decimal. Okay? So can 1 be divided by 21? The answer is no. Can 13 be divided by 21? No. So therefore my answer is going to start in a tenths place. So I'm really doing 136 divided by 21. So the question again, skip counting, 21. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140. 7 is too much. So it's going to be 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is nothing. Bring down my 5. Look at this. Same thing. Same divisors. How many times can 21 go into 105? It's 5 times. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. same thing. Okay? So I want you to do even numbers. On the front. So being that we already did 2 and 4, you're going to do 2, 4, 6, 8. You can circle these 2. 10, 6, 8, 10. 12. And I want you to do 13. I know that's not an even number, but I don't want you to do 14. And then I want you to do all word problems on the back. Okay, all word problems on the back, only your even numbers. So really, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems, guys. You can handle this. And all the problems on the back, which is essentially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You've already done this. That's 12 total problems today. Okay? You can handle this when you're done. Turn it into the file folder. Let me know if you have any questions.